difference of y coordinate by difference of x coordinate. What is y coordinate? 2. Here what is y coordinate? 0. If the points are lying on same line, their slope should be same. Collinear means what? So what is the equation of line? X by a plus y by b equal to 1. What is the intercept form of line? X by a plus y by b equal to 1. So I taught you 2-point form of line. When you know 2 points on the line, directly we can frame the equation of line as x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 equal to y minus y1 by. Now collinear can be proved by different methods. Area of triangle 0, collinear. And AB plus BC is equal to AC, collinear. Welcome to the session, dear students. In my last session, we have discussed problems based on different forms of line, where I taught you intercept form of line. I also taught you problems on point slope form line, and we have also discussed some of the important problems where slope of the line is not given, but they gave a condition, two lines are perpendicular, and we use product of slopes is -1, and we arrived the slope, and then we use the slope to form the equation of line. Like that, we have done different types of problems. Now we'll go ahead with some more problems. And today's class, we have some interesting problems wherein they'll not give a point, they'll not give a slope. So you have to recognize the point from the description what they give. So it's interesting. Means we are going to do the application of straight lines. So now we'll go to the problem number 8. They gave AB is the midpoint of the line joining axis. Show that the line equation is x by a plus y by b equal to 2 is what they want you to find. So now let me draw a line. This is x-axis and this is y-axis, and the line is cutting axis, and the midpoint they gave. What is the midpoint they gave? Midpoint they gave a comma b. Midpoint is AB, and line is cutting x-intercept and y-intercept. This is x-intercept, this is y-intercept, and already we have a and b here. So I have to take some more value. I'll take x-intercept as alpha comma 0 and y-intercept as 0 comma beta. Now you know intercept form of line. So now required line, I'll write in intercept form. Required line is x by alpha plus y by beta is equal to 1. I'm using intercept form of line. What is intercept form of line? X by a plus y by b equal to 1. But here I can't use AB because already told AB is the midpoint. It's not intercept. So I'm assuming intercept as alpha beta. So by intercept form of line, x by x intercept plus y by y intercept equal to 1. This is our line. But we need to find alpha beta. We need to find the value of what? Alpha beta. To find alpha beta, given midpoint of this capital AB, midpoint of AB, midpoint of line joining AB, they gave, that is a comma b. Midpoint of these two is AB they give. And you know how to find midpoint. Use midpoint formula. What is the midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 by 2, that is 0 plus alpha by 2 comma beta plus 0 by 2 is a comma b. Now equate them. So you'll have alpha by 2 comma beta by 2 is equal to a comma b. Now if 2 points are same, then their corresponding x coordinates will be equal and y coordinates will be equal. Equate them and get alpha beta. Because I got the equation of line, but I don't know value of alpha beta, we'll get it now. So equate x with x. If I equate x with x, then I'll have alpha by 2 is equal to a, or I'll have alpha is equal to 2a. Beta by 2 is equal to b, or I'll have beta is equal to 2b. Now I have alpha and beta value. Substitute alpha and beta value in this equation. So now put them in equation 1. What is equation 1? X by a, x by alpha. Alpha is how much? 2a plus y by 2b equal to 1, or multiply by 2 on both sides. Then it will become x by a plus y by b equal to 2. I hope all of you got this. First find alpha beta. X-intercept is alpha 0, y-intercept is 0 beta. And they give midpoint. Use the midpoint formula. Equate them. Equate corresponding values. Alpha by 2 na A equate madi, beta by 2 na B equate madi. You will get the value of alpha beta. After you get alpha beta value, put it in equation 1. See here I got alpha as 2a and beta as 2b. I will put alpha in the place of alpha I'll put 2a, in the place of beta I'll put 2b. So I'll get x by 2a plus x by 2b equal to 1. Multiply 2 on both sides. When I multiply 2 on both sides, then 2 cancels, 2 cancels, and 2 into 1 is 2. So x by a plus y by b equal to 2 will be the final answer. Hope all of you understood this. Then we have the told h comma divide, h comma k divides a line segment between the axes in the ratio 1:2. Find the equation of line. Please understand, between the axis means what? Between x-axis and y-axis. It's not necessary that always it should be positive and negative. First quadrant, any coordinate axis. The line is cutting coordinate axis. The point R divides. One point is there that R divides this line in the ratio 1:2. And the point of division is h comma k, they told. And you know this is x-intercept a comma 0, and you know this is 0 comma b. They mentioned that the line cuts axis. So I have drawn a line which is cutting x-axis and y-axis. It is cutting x-axis at a0 and y-axis at 0b. And they told R divides this line between the axis. R divides in the ratio 1:2. They gave. I have taken it, and they want you to find the equation of line. So you can see these 3 points 0b, hk, and ab are collinear. You can use collinear concept, or you can use intercept form. What is the intercept form of line? So can I say required line is x by a, that is plus y by b equal to 1. This is the intercept form of line. And to find a and b, they gave a hint. What is the hint? So we have, if you see the board, we have R. R is the point of division that divides in the ratio 1:2. So in the denominator we'll have 1 plus 2. Here also we'll have 1 plus 2. So 1 into a plus 2 into 0. Similarly 1 into, so I am using section formula for internal division. 1 into a, mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Similarly 1 into 0 y coordinate plus 2 into x coordinate, that is 2 into b. And r value they give. R is what? h comma k. Simplify this. 2 zeros is 0, I'll get a by 3. This 0, it will become 2b by 3. Now equate and get h and k, or equate and get a and b. Substitute a and b. This is the answer. Answer is, they want equation of line. We got equation of line. I wrote equation of line in intercept form. So what is the equation of line? X by a plus y by b equal to 1. But I need values of a and b. In order to find values of a and b, equate x coordinate with x coordinate and y coordinate with y coordinate. So I'll equate these two to get a. So here h is equal to a by 3. That implies a is what? 3h. So you got a. And similarly equate y coordinate with y coordinate. So k is equal to 2b by 3, and you'll get b is equal to 3 by 2k. So now you got the value of a and b. Substitute them in equation 1. So now equation 1 implies x by a. What is a you got? That is 3h plus y by b. What is b you got? What is the b value? 3k by 2. 3k by 2 I'll write on top is equal to 1. And you can multiply by 3 to eliminate 3. So multiply by 3. If I multiply by 3 on both sides, this 3 cancels, it will be x by h, and it will be 2y by k is equal to, I am multiplying by 3, is equal to 3. Further, if you want, you can take LCM or leave it. This is also in one of the standard forms. This is the equation of line. So please understand, they told there is a line cutting the coordinate axis. So whenever line cuts coordinate axis, this is x-intercept and this is y-intercept, and using the intercept form I wrote the line equation. But to find the AB, they gave a hint. R is a point which divides these two in the ratio 1:2, and R value they gave hk, and to find R we know section formula for internal division. I'm using section formula for internal division, and I'll compare and I'll get x coordinate and y coordinate. From that we can arrive at the result. I hope all of you understood this. Then using concept of equation of line, prove that they are collinear. Concept of equation of line means use the slope concept. So now if points are collinear, collinear means what? All the points are lying on same line. If the points are lying on same line, their slope should be same. Collinear means what? Two or more points are said to be collinear if they are on the same line. And if they are on the same line, then they'll have same slope. See, slope of AB value, slope of BC value, and slope of AC value, all three will be same because they make same angle with x-axis. So now I'll take first point as A 3 0, second point as B -2 comma -2, and third point I'll take 8 comma 2. I've taken 3 points. Now I need to prove they are collinear. How to prove they are collinear? 3 points are said to be collinear if the slope of line joining should be same. So now I'll first find slope of AB. I'll find slope of AB. How to find slope of AB? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So that is -2 minus 0 divided by -2 minus 3. I'm using slope of line joining points. I'm taking these two. How to find slope of line joining point? Difference of y coordinate by difference of x coordinate. That is -2 by -5. That is 2 by 5. This is slope of AB. Now I'll find slope of BC. Now I'll find slope of BC. Again, how to find slope of BC? Again, you should use y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is 2 minus of -2 divided by 8 minus -2. Now, what is 2 minus of -2? 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4 by 8 minus of -2. 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. 2 2s are 2 5s are. Again, you got slope of BC 2 by 5. For slope of BC is 2 by 5. Now I'll find slope of AC. I'll find slope of AC. How to find slope of AC? Again, use the same formula. Slope of AC is between these two. Difference of y coordinate by difference of x coordinate. What is y coordinate? 2. Here, what is y coordinate? 0. 2 minus 0 divided by x2 minus x1. 8 minus 3. 2 minus 0 is 2. 8 minus 3 is 5. So you got slope of AC. Slope of AC you got. AC is also 2 by 5. See, now we got slope of AB. What is the slope of AB? 2 by 5. What is the slope of BC? 2 by 5. What is the slope of AC? 2 by 5. They have same slope, means they are on the same line. So since slope of AB value is same as BC value is equal to AC value, therefore the given points, we named them as ABC, but the given points, what is the conclusion? They are collinear. This is one of the method to prove collinear. And using distance formula you have proved in high school. ABC are collinear means AB plus BC is equal to AC, or longest side is equal to sum of other two sides, or longest distance is equal to sum of the other two distances. That's what we have proved. But now we are proving this by what? Slope method. They want you to use the concept of line. You know concept of equation of line contains slope. How to find slope of line joining points? So very simple concept we use. If I give 2 points P x1 y1 Q x2 y2, so how to find slope of PQ? What is slope of PQ? Slope of PQ is difference of y coordinate by difference of x coordinate. That's it. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. We use the same slope concept and we found slope for AB, slope for BC, slope for AC. First you name the points as A, B, C. Then you find slope of AB. Then you find slope of BC. Then you go for slope of AC. If you get slope same for all, then they are collinear. Now collinear can be proved by different methods. Area of triangle 0, collinear. And AB plus BC is equal to AC, collinear. And this is another method. What is another method? In this method, what we have done? In this method, we proved slopes are equal. Because they're asking you to use the concept of equation of line. In equation of line, we know for any line we'll have slope. We are using concept of equation of line, that is slope concept, and we derived. I hope all of you understood this. So in today's session, first I taught you numerical, where they have not given points, but they want linear function. I taught you to use 2-point form and rearrange and get the answer. And next, if you see the next important question, say 7th question, same technique you can use, supply and demand. Supply and demand, again make a point x comma y, like what we have done in the last problem. In this problem, what method I used? I am asking you to think and solve this, so that I'll add the same question in my next session also. and then I'll conclude. And the other problem I've done, that is intercept form of line. They gave a hint that the line is cutting coordinate axis. I'll take intercept form, but I'll not write x by a, y by b. I'll write alpha, beta, because already they told midpoint is AB, and we have solved. And the other one also we use intercept form. Question: the length L in centimeter of a copper rod is a linear function of its Celsius temperature C in an experiment. They gave L value and they give C value, and again they'll give another set, that is L value and C value. They're asking you to express L in terms of C. See, straight line means we have represented y is a function of x, right? So we know how to represent y in terms of x. Similarly, now they want L in terms of C. Means if I take L on y axis and C on x axis, then we can form a linear function, that is line. So if you read carefully, they gave two L values and two C values. So call them as a point. Now let A is function of C comma L. So first set of C. What is first set of C? 20. And what is first set of L? 124.942. This is A value. Similarly, get the value of B, that is second set. B is also function of C and L. So second set of C is 110 and L is 125.134. So if I plot A and B, we'll get, so one value C 120 and somewhere we'll get 110 and Y two values. So here one point and again we'll get one more point, and we have to plot the graph, or directly without using this I can just represent a point. You know what is the purpose of coordinate geometry? We want to represent the line linear function, or we want to convert geometry to form equation. So now to get equation we know 2 points. If you know 2 points, can't you create equation of line passing through 2 points? Yes, we can use what form? 2-point form. So now we have 2 points. So now just now explain how to form 2 points. Directly we'll take the 2 points and we'll use 2-point form. So now according to me, let A and B are two functions. A and B are two functions of, let A and B are two functions of L and C. Therefore I can write A, point A is LC. The value of L is a CL. A is function of CL. What is a C? 20. What is a L? 124.92. So 20 comma 124.942, and another point B, that is other set of L and C. They gave two sets. So what is other set of C? So C and L, that is C is 110 and L is 125.134. Please observe carefully. We know 2 points on the line. You can use 2-point form of line. So now equation of line is, use 2-point form. What is 2-point form? X minus x1 by x2 minus x1 equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1. Can we use this? So now the first point we call it as x1 y1, second point we call it as x2 y2, substitute in it. So I taught you 2-point form of line. When you know 2 points on the line, directly we can frame the equation of line as x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1. Using that, x minus x1 is 20 divided by x2 minus x1, that is 110 minus 20, y minus y1, that is 124.942 by 125.134 minus 124.942. So simplify this and form an equation of line. Further we'll simplify this. If you further simplify, x minus 20 divided by denominator 90, 110 minus 20, and here numerator y minus 124.942 divided by, subtract these two, that is 125.134 0.134 minus 124.942. Subtract them, so it will come to 13 minus 4, 9, and this will become 1.192. So now this is the value. Further you can simplify by cross multiplying. That is 1.192 into x minus 20 equal to 90. See, check whether it is divisible. Y minus 124.942. Rearrange and write it in the form y is equal to mx plus c. Like that we have done all the problems in today's session. In today's session, so many applicative problems and different types of questions we have solved. I asked my students to revise this properly, become thorough with this. Then we'll go ahead with some more new problems of forms of lines. Then we'll study reducing one form to other form. Now we are playing the problems with writing the equation of line using different forms. And in today's class we applied in situations like supply and demand, situations like linear, creating a linear function, and collinearity. This is today's, it's purely application of straight lines. In my next session, conversion of one form to other form and problems based on different forms of straight lines I'll be teaching you. Thanks for attending. I'll be waiting for you for my next session. Thank you.